Hi, and welcome to the LB0 Fox India YouTube channel. I'm Morten, LB0 Fox India, as you know, and I'm in the park you've probably seen a lot of times before, but at a different place. I'm not doing my activation mobile today. I'm doing it stationary at Fredriksten Festning, Park Lima Alpha 2532. In the background there is Kjetil LB4FH. Make sure to subscribe to his channel as well. We're doing a joint activation, and as you can see from the background here, the view overlooking the town here is just fantastic. So have fun, enjoy the video, and I'll show you some scenery while we do the activation. Today's equipment is almost the same as usual. We have the X6100 here into the Hard Rock 50 amplifier, powered by a lithium-ion battery here, so pretty much the same. Different today is we're not running mobile, so we're doing an unfed half wave here, sloping up to soda beams mast over there. So hopefully this will work good. And the funny thing is, the side of the antenna is pointed pretty much straight to North America, so hopefully there will be some good DX today. CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India calling CQ Parks on the air. Sierra Yankee 2 Charlie something QSL. Sierra Yankee 2 Charlie Whiskey Mike, about a 5 and 252 here. What's my signal report? Over.
CQ Parks on there, CQ POTA, Lima Bravo 4, Foxtrot Hotel.
Echo Alpha 4, Golf Juliet Papa.
Echo Alpha 4, Echo Juliet Papa, 5
Golf
by
Juliet
7.
Papa, tror jeg.
QSL, Echo Alpha 4, Golf Juliet Papa, 5 by 5. Stand by for second operator.
Thank you.
Echo Alpha 4, Golf Juliet Papa. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India, also parks on the air. Echo Alpha 4, Golf Juliet Papa. Second operator here, Lima Bravo 0 Fox India, also parks on the air. Thank you. Also 5 and 5. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India calling CQ Parks on the air.
Parks on the air, CQ POTA, Lima Bravo 4, Foxtrot Hotel. CQ Parks on the air, CQ POTA, Parks on the air, Lima Bravo 4, Foxtrot Hotel.
Papa Delta 3, Radio Lima.
Papa Delta 3, Radio Lima, 5 by 9. Please stand by for second operator.
Papa Delta 3 Radio Lima, this is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India, 5 by 9 here at Park Lima Alpha 2532 QSL.
QSL, you're both 5 by 7, 5 by 7. Thank you for your activation, 73, bye-bye.
Thank you. QRZ Parks on the air, Lima Bravo 0 Fox India with second operator here calling CQ Parks on the air.
Echo Alpha 4, Tango Lima.
Echo Alpha 4 Tango Lima, you are 59 here in southern Norway, QSL. 2 Echo 0, Echo Sierra Yankee.
2 Echo 0, Echo Sierra Yankee. Good morning, Mike. You're 5 by 9.
QSL, good morning. Good to hear you again today. 5 and 7 for you, 57 over.
QSL, thank you for 5-7. Stand by for second operator.
Okay.
2 Echo 0, Echo Sierra Yankee. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India. You are 5 by 9 here in Norway today, Mike. Over.
Good morning, Morten. Thank you very much for 59. 57 for you also. Enjoy your activation, both of you. 7-3. Bye-bye.
7-3, bye-bye. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India with side operator calling CQ Parks on the air for Park Lima Alpha 2532.
Echo Alpha 3, India Delta Yankee.
Echo Alpha 3, India Delta Yankee, QSL. Park to park, please hold. I'll do you next time. Echo Alpha 3, India Delta Yankee, 5 and 9, over.
Alpha 3, India Delta Yankee, 59.
Thank you for 5 and 9. Stand by for second operator, and we'll do the park to park afterwards. Second operator for Echo Alpha station.
Foxtrot 4, India Lima Hotel, you are 5 by 7.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon. Oslo 5 by 5, 55.
QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India with second operator. Echo Alpha Station, please come again. Okay, just one moment. Sierra Papa 3. Okay, my logging is kind of not for Sierra Papa 3 Echo Alpha QSL.
Echo Charlie 5, Echo Charlie 5, Charlie Sierra Whiskey.
Only Sierra Papa 3 station. Only Sierra Papa 3 station, please. Only Sierra Papa 3 station, please. Okay, I can't hear Sierra Papa station. Park to park. Come again. Park to park. Echo, no, sorry, Italy Kilo 2 Lima Echo Yankee Portable Park to Park. You are about a 5 and 2, 52 here. Park Lima Alpha 2532 QSL. Italy 1454 QSL. Only Italy Kilo station, only park to park stations, please. All other stations, please do observe the DX code of conduct. Only Italy Kilo 2 station, park to park. Over. QSL, please stand by for second operator. Please stand by for second operator. Italy Kilo 2 Lima Echo Yankee, please stand by for second operator.
Italy Kilo 2 Lima Echo Yankee, this / portable, this is Lima Bravo 4 Foxtrot Hotel. Lima Bravo 4 Foxtrot Hotel. I read you 5 by 2, 5 by 2, already got your park information. QSL? Echo America 4 Golf Uniform, this is Lima Bravo 4 Foxtrot Hotel. We are in the middle of a park to park. Please Quebec Sierra Yankee QSY, you are disturbing an ongoing QSO. Please QSY.
Okay, thank you. One map of 7, Echo America 4 Golf Uniform 73.
Echo America 4 Golf Uniform, you are not in the log and you will not come in the log. Italy Kilo 2 Lima Echo Yankee / portable, this is Lima Bravo 4 Foxtrot Hotel, looking for Italy Kilo 2 Lima Echo Yankee / portable.
Okay, Foxtrot 8 November Uniform Hotel QSL.
Foxtrot 8 November Uniform Hotel, you are 5 by 5, 5 by 5. QSL? Oscar Hotel 6 Golf Alpha Zulu 5 by 9.
Där var vi igång. Echo Charlie 5, Charlie Sierra Whiskey, I think it was. There was a station tuning here. You're 5 and 9 in the clear here, over. And just as a comment to the smoking ape who calls me the Swede, right over there on the other side of the fjord, and a fjord is a body of water with salt water relatively inland, is Sweden. So we're about a kilometer away from Sweden, or about 0.8 of a mile to you people who still don't use metric.
Golf 0 Romeo Quebec Lima, can you hear Lima Bravo 4 Foxtrot Hotel?
Roger there, Bob. Good morning or good afternoon to you there. Still morning in the UK, but afternoon 59, Bob. Good to hear you both out there, Roger.
Yeah, thank you very much, Don. Yeah, you're 5'9", booming here into eastern Norway for once, out here with my friend Morten. I'll pass you over to him, 7-3.
Over to Morton, Roger.
Golf 0, Romeo, Quebec, Lima. Good to hear your voice there, Don. You're 5'9" today. Strong 5'9", over.
Roger, Morton. Good to hear you out again, especially the two of you there. Good to work two of you on the park there. Thanks for the 5'9", Morton. 59 also. Thank you both for the park. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, 7-3. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima, Bravo 0, Fox India with side operator.
Whiskey 1 Alpha Whiskey.
Whiskey 1 Alpha Whiskey, QSL. Whiskey 1 Oscar Whiskey, Whiskey 1 Oscar Whiskey. Good to hear you again, William. You're about a 5'5", 55 here into southern Norway, QSL. Yeah, Roger, thank you for the 5x7. Please stand by for second operator.
Whiskey 1 Oscar Whiskey. This is Lima Bravo 5x7. Thank you very much. 7-3. CQ Parks on the air. Lima Bravo 4 Foxtrot Hotel.
Negative, no park to park. Any DX outside Europe, any DX outside Europe, please come again. Victor Echo 1 Sierra Kilowatt, QSL.
Roger. I got you 5 and 3, 53 here into Nova Scotia this morning, over.
Roger, thank you for the 5 and 3. You're a strong 5 and 9 here today, actually. So this is fun. Thank you for Nova Scotia there, Stephen. And please stand by for second operator.
Victor Echo 1 Sierra Kilo. This is Lima Bravo 4 Foxtrot Hotel. Also 5x9. QSL. Thank you for 5x3 from Nova Scotia. 7-3.
73, have fun. Thanks for the park. All the best.
Thank you very much.
So, hope you enjoyed this little video from the same park as I've activated a dozen times now, I think, but from a little bit of a different perspective. And as you can see in the background here, the clock tower, which I've shown from my usual spot a lot of times. I'm now up at the clock tower. We've done a tour of the fortress and tried to show you most of it. So me and Kjetil LB4FH, we ended up with about 30 contacts in the log. I'll put it over here so you can see how many contacts we got. But it was a real fun activation. Only 20 meters, I think. Yeah, I think we had one on 10 meters. But really fun. Thank you to all the hunters, and thank you for following this channel on YouTube. And if you don't subscribe, please do that. And please like and comment. I really like it when people comment. So thank you, and until next time, 7-3.